Welcome to my channel, and today you're about to witness something that will truly leave you speechless. The Prevost Motorhome, a rolling masterpiece of luxury that makes every other RV look like a toy. This isn't just travel. This is five-star living on wheels, and once you see the inside, you'll understand why people call it the Palace of the Open Road. From the moment you step inside, the Prevost instantly surrounds you with an atmosphere of elegance, comfort, and pure extravagance. Let's start with the heart of every home, the kitchen, because Prevost didn't cut a single corner here. You're greeted with high-end appliances that rival what you'd find in the most modern designer kitchens. Stainless steel finishes, induction cooktops, convection ovens, and even full-size refrigerators that ensure you never have to compromise on meals while traveling. The counters are made with premium stone, the cabinetry is handcrafted with a luxurious finish, and the lighting is warm and sophisticated, making it feel like you're preparing dinner in a high-end apartment, not a motorhome rolling down the highway. Even storage is genius here, with cleverly designed compartments that keep everything tucked away neatly, so the entire kitchen remains sleek and clutter-free. Now, moving into the bedroom, this is where Prevost redefines relaxation on the road. The bed is a king-size retreat with a plush mattress that feels like sinking into a cloud, dressed with premium linens that scream comfort. The headboard is beautifully upholstered, and the surrounding lighting creates a cozy and intimate atmosphere. Imagine pulling off at a scenic spot, closing the blinds and drifting off to sleep in a room that feels more luxurious than most hotel suites. And it's not just the bed. There are custom wardrobes, vanity spaces, and even subtle details like climate control and soundproofing to make sure your nights are nothing but peaceful and private. But let's not forget the bathroom, because here's where things really take a jaw-dropping turn. This isn't just a cramped RV bathroom. This is a full spa experience on wheels. You'll find a spacious glass-enclosed shower with rainfall fixtures, marble or granite finishes on the counters, and high-end faucets that feel more suited to a luxury penthouse than a motorhome. The flooring is sleek, the mirrors are beautifully lit, and storage is again crafted with elegance and precision. Even the smallest details like heated towel racks and ambient lighting elevate the bathroom into a place where you'd actually want to spend time pampering yourself after a long day on the road. Every inch of the Prevost Motorhome screams exclusivity and comfort. From the kitchen that lets you cook like a gourmet chef, to the bedroom that redefines road trip relaxation, to the bathroom that feels like a private spa. It's not just transportation, it's a lifestyle, a statement of luxury that moves with you wherever the road may lead. If you've ever dreamed of combining freedom with world-class living, this motorhome is the ultimate answer. So if this peek inside the Prevost Motorhome left you amazed, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more jaw-dropping reviews of vehicles that push the limits of comfort and design.